Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have 6 pieces from the newest releases from Walmart, so let's get right into them. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. As per usual, any of the extra information, including the shopping links, will be listed in the description box below. You can also head over to my LTK page. I will have a link for that below as well, and that's just for easy shopping. All right, let's get into this dress. This utility midi length dress is actually something that has become a little bit of a staple in the free assembly line. If you remember, I did show this almost exact same dress in about May of 2003 in an orange pink. I'll try to show a picture of it up here. Love the dress. It's so cute. These are $34 currently, and right now you can get it in this navy with the kind of white stitching. You can also get it in an olive green. The difference between this one and the other line was that this one has a D-ring belt. The other one that I'm showing is more of a bow belt, and it was really cute how you could style it. But really overall, it's the same really structured 100% cotton dress. It is very comfortable. It's got a little bit of a retro feel to it. Kind of has like an A-line coming out. Full button all the way down. What you need to know about this dress though is, as with the 100% cotton, it is a thicker weight utility style dress. So it is very structured, meaning yes, it's comfortable, I can move, it's very breathable, but you are going to feel the structure and the stiffness of this dress. Now I suppose it would soften up a little bit as you washed it and dried it and did those things, you know, as you kept it. However, you just need to know that the structure is going to stay this way. I do love it though, and as you can see, I had styled it with the yellow sweater that I'll be talking about in a few minutes, and it's just so fun because it's a very basic layering piece, and I also love it in the olive as well if you can wear that color, because it will literally go with anything. Again, $34. I'm showing it in a medium, and it comes in extra small through double XL. Next up, we are actually going to talk about these black slacks. I'm going to just put some information and pictures up here so that you can really full length see them. These are in a washed black. You can also get them in a color that they are calling azalea, which looks like a really beautiful fuchsia if you're into like brighter colored pants. These are $32 full price, free assembly. I'm actually showing these in a size 10. Now I did that for 2 reasons. I'm usually between an 8 and a 10, and right now personally I'm closer to the 10. But also I wanted to make sure these had that kind of really loose slouchy fit. I have had a very hard time with my pear shape looking for slacks that fit this way. So I was really pleasantly surprised. And I think what also helps with that look is that these are a 32-inch inseam, which is almost unheard of, especially at these price points. Now this is a polyester rayon and a little bit of spandex blend. But so they do have stretch, and they are very, very comfortable and soft on like your bare legs. So I'm super impressed with that. Now they do have that like double hook closure right here, and they have a full zip. They also have full front pockets, kind of the slip pockets. And then the back has those little kind of what I would almost call fake pockets. They are just sewn in just for looks, so you don't have a lot of extra fabric there as well. Now, the only thing that I'm not super excited about with these for my body type, now for everybody else, I think it would be great, is they do have a little bit of pleating, as you can see. So I generally stay so far away from pleats with my pear shape. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to pull these off, but what I am appreciating about them is because I did my larger size and sized up, they aren't catching in the like crotch area and kind of folding over and puffing out even more. They're actually laying fairly smooth for the pleating. This sweater, so good, so comfortable. It is a mid-weight, nice knit sweater. Comes in, I believe, 4 different color options. I'm showing it in a size medium. However, it comes from extra small through triple XL. I believe it's $26 right now. And it is a cotton blend. So it is, I think, cotton, polyamide, and viscose blend. It is very soft though. It has a lightweight, just really comfortable, soft feel. No itchiness to it at all. Love love, love, love the length on this. I probably could have got away with a small, but you know, with these types of sweaters, I just love the feel when they're just a tiny bit slouchy. And when I put my arms up, I like it to kind of stay where it belongs. You could do a little bit of a tuck on this if you needed to. However, really just where it hits, I think it's great. I have a very small torso, so, you know, it fits well. Side note, if you are questioning the pants that I'm showing most of these tops with, they are the Sofia Vergara trouser jeans, which are like the ultimate. They're so good. They are starting to sell out though. I will put a link to them below. I featured them several months ago. But if you can get your hands on them, these trouser pants are good. All right, back to the sweater. It does have a full button side detail, and these are functional buttons as far as I can tell. I think it's a very classic look. I personally love it in the navy and white because I can wear it now. However, this is one of those colors that you can wear all year long, and it just has a great classic fit and a great classic feel to it. So definitely recommend you looking into this sweater, and then also other color options if you don't really like navy. Really wanted to get this sweater out of the way. It is, again, a mid-weight cotton blend sweater. I believe it also has viscose and polyamide as well. They're kind of pulling on that kind of Chanel kind of classic trend again. I did feature one of these types of sweaters much earlier last season. I'll put a picture below if I can find it. I liked the other one better. This version is, again, $26. I'm showing it in size medium. I believe it comes in 5 different color options. I chose the medium in the navy again because I just feel like it is a classic color that you can put on with almost anything, including jeans. But this one is a bit different than the original one that they had, was because the other one was a little bit more of a traditional sweater feel, and I felt like the detailing on it really had more of those Chanel vibes. This one is a much more muted version of that, and it is a smoother weight cotton, you know, blend. And these types of fabrics tend to look faded out a lot faster. So what I'm worried about with this one is after just maybe a couple of washes, this one looks like it's going to fade out because it already just has a little bit of an off feel. However, I'll show you all the other details. It does have scalloped detail here. And again, the bottom just has a little bit more plain with you know, some seaming on it. It has these kind of brass gold, very round buttons. It buttons down fully. I don't really like the pockets. It's kind of hard to see with this color scheme, but the pockets round out. And so again, even though they lay flat, when you're wearing it, it kind of almost looks like they're pulling, like they're just a little bit off on the fabric. So personally, I'm going to definitely pass on this one. I also have one other reason. If you are going to wear it unbuttoned, I don't know why they did this, and I don't know if it's on every color, but look, they put a white strip inside it, but it doesn't seem to match anything else in the sweater. So buttoned up, it's great, but if I unbutton this and it kind of flaps, then there's like this white seaming that doesn't, I don't know, it just makes the whole look feel a little bit off. This sweater is so much fun. However, I chose it, one of the 3 colors. I believe it comes in black, cream, and this yellow. I was thinking it was a little bit more of a warmer canary yellow, and the more I wear it, the more bright, and it's not neon, but it definitely has a different shade to it than I thought it was going to. So I'm not sure that it's the most flattering on me, but hey, we're getting some color in the middle of winter. It's a cable knit sweater, $26. Again, I'm showing it in size medium. It is free assembly. However, this one is, I believe, a viscose primary sweater. This does not have any cotton in it. It also has some polyamide as well. Very, very soft, buttery soft actually, and has a ton of stretch to it. I mean, like, I can't tell you how much stretch this thing has. So when I put it on, I instantly just want to walk around the house and just wear it for the day. So I love how it feels. I think it's great. It is a full button down cardigan. So that is, again, great. I can wear it like this, or I can have it open and wear it, you know, with something underneath. It does have elastic here, so I can pull it up and leave it that way. Don't have to do any kind of tucking because it has a nice length to it. And I think it has plenty of just the right stretch, and it's holding its shape. Let's see, any complaints? Not really. It does have a rhinestone cluster buttons though. I'll try to get a little closer and see if you can see that. So at this price point, I would be a little bit wary that maybe the rhinestones might pop out if I was not washing it carefully. But it does say it's machine washable, so I thought I would throw that out there. And yeah, it's just full yellow on the inside as well. So if you did have it unbuttoned, there is nothing weird that's going to pop out. You're just going to see the color through and through. So if you are not worried about it being not cotton, I think this would definitely be in one of the other colors even. Just a great addition to your wardrobe if you're wanting a very lightweight, comfortable cardigan to add to your collection. And again, it comes in extra small through triple XL. This is a medium. All right, this last piece, I actually just left it on with the yellow cardigan so that you could see it can go over a lightweight sweater. I am showing it in a size medium. It is 99% cotton with 1% spandex, which makes all the difference. And it is fully lined. The lining is actually polyester though, so that's something to be aware of. It does have the one single button that goes underneath here, and then you can button it up here. So it will be like a finished look. I have it in navy. It also comes in black and something that looks very similar to a houndstooth, but I think they're calling that color asparagus. If I didn't mention it already, I think it's at the $42 range. Now, what I will say about this jacket is it is cotton, so it doesn't have that kind of brushed feel. It literally has a true cotton feel on the outside, and I had to do a lot of steaming to make it kind of feel a little bit more cohesive. So I know that I would probably have to do that if I were going to be like washing and wearing this thing. It does have plenty of stretch though, even with a sweater underneath it. I feel comfortable. I could work and walk around all day with this. It does not have any kind of slits though. So that part feels a little too stiff for me in a lot of ways. And even though it's a pretty good length, I just still like to have a little bit of an opening. I feel like it gives you more movement, especially when the jacket is buttoned. The other thing you need to know about this, besides the like true kind of stiff cotton feel and look to it, is that in the navy, at least, the inside lining is black. Now, personally, I don't have too much of a problem with this. I like mixing navy and black, but if you were going to be wearing this with maybe like white slacks and have like a whole lighter vibe going on, you really might not want to have to be able to roll the sleeves up because you're going to see the black lining. You know, it's just something that you need to be aware of. So I am bringing back the Turquoise Hanger Award for 2024. If you're not familiar with that, basically it's from every haul that I do. I choose one piece that I think is maybe the cream of the crop or the one that would make its way into my closet the fastest. And so I put it on a turquoise hanger, and it would be this sweater this time. I just love it. It is totally me. It's very soft. I like that it has a cotton blend. I love the medium weight to it and the uniqueness of the buttons and the cut. They just did a great job on this sweater, and I love the price point at it. All right, that does it for me with this, what turned out to be 100% free assembly haul today, all 6 pieces. I am really hopeful with these new pieces that are coming out this season. I feel like they're getting back to where they started with free assembly, nice, classic, very utilitarian style pieces, and pretty good quality fabrics, and at a great price point. You cannot beat that. So I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you shop free assembly or if you liked any of the pieces, and make sure you hit like and subscribe while you're there. All right, thanks again for your time, and until next time, I'll see you soon.